Hello artists! Today we are learning how to make wearable art, and we are going to make a wizard's hat. For this artwork you will need 2 pieces of paper. I have colored construction paper. If you have construction paper, awesome. Choose colors that you want to use. If you do not, it's fine. You could use white paper. You could use any paper that you have for this project. You will also need scissors, glue, and something to draw with. So I have a black crayon because it's easy to see on the colored construction paper, but you can also use a pencil for this. So to begin, I'm going to make my hat on my purple paper. So I'm going to set my other materials to the side. And I want to start by creating a triangle for my hat shape. I want to go from the bottom of my paper all the way to the top. So at the top, I'm going to make a little dot right at the top in the center so that I know where I want to go to. So I'm going to start at my bottom corner and go up to my dot. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So starting at the bottom corner, going up, do my dot. So it kind of looks like a triangle. It's a bit of an imperfect triangle. It's not perfectly straight, but that's okay because it's a hat. Hats aren't perfectly straight. So now that I have my triangle shape, I'm going to use my scissors and cut it out on the line. And now I have my hat shape. Now that I have my hat shape, I'm ready to decorate it. You could decorate with whatever you have at home. So if you want, you could just use your crayons or colored pencils and color on your hat. If you have construction paper or colored paper, another thing you can do is get extra colors and draw things that you want to cut out, and cut out different shapes or objects to paste, to glue onto your hat. If you're working this way, if you're not coloring but you're collaging, you will need your glue stick. And I've already cut out a bunch of stars. So I am going to collage stars onto my hat. But you could decorate your hat with whatever you want. So good job, artists. We have now decorated our hats. We're ready to turn it into something that we can wear. I did take a break. I went and washed my hands because glue sticks got my fingers all sticky. So if your fingers are sticky, take a break right now. Pause the video, wash your hands, and then when we come back, we will make the band so that we can wear our hat. So I'm going to set my hat to the side and get out my second piece of paper. I have my paper placed vertical. If you have a ruler, you can use your ruler to make lines, but if you do not, it is okay. And what we're going to do is split our paper into 3. So I have made 1, 2 lines on my paper. So I have 1, 2, 3 sections. I am now going to use my scissors and cut on those black lines. Now that I have my 3 pieces of paper, I'm ready to turn them into a cylinder, which is a round shape. Bottles, cups, those are cylinders. So we're going to make a cylinder shape that will fit on our head. To do that, you want to put your papers horizontal and attach your edges together. You could use your glue stick and glue them together. If you have a stapler, I'm going to use a stapler and staple mine together because I think that holds even better than the glue. So it's your choice. Use what you have at home. You could use glue, you could use tape. Now that they're together, I could roll them to make a cylinder, but my head is a little bit larger than this. I am going to need to add my third piece of paper. So depending on how large of a cylinder you need, you can add the second paper if you need it. So there we have it, artist. I've created a cylinder that would fit my head. I did have to use that third piece of paper, but it was really long, so I cut the extra that I didn't need off. And now I'm ready to put it all together. I am ready to attach my hat so that way I can wear it. So to do that, I want to decide where I want my hat to be, and I want mine to cover up all these staples that I put on there. So I'm going to put mine right here and make that the front. So I'm getting out my glue stick, and I'm going to add a lot of glue because I really want my hat to stick. I don't want it to fall apart when I'm wearing it. So make sure yours is pretty sticky.